Hey guys, just an update on my Guadalupe Peak project. And, I'm going to approach this like I approach pretty much everything, with a business mindset, which isn't to say I'm going to run it as a business, but I'm also not going to turn down opportunities to get things like sponsorships, right? I'm already in talks with a couple companies about possibly sponsoring pieces of it, some of the equipment I need, things like that. I've already got most of the equipment, so it probably wouldn't end up being something like that where I say, hey, give me some equipment. I don't need the equipment, but it would be a good testament, me saying, here is the equipment I used for this, and here's why. Again, I'm not interested in doing affiliate deals and any nonsense like that. But, there is a growing market for UGC, user-generated content with mature people. Let's put it that way. I'd be silly not to take advantage of that. So I'm going to use my equipment like this, my Sportneer vest. No, I am not sponsored by Sportneer. They have not paid me anything. I'm using this Ruck vest to simulate carrying the load that I'm going to be carrying up Guadalupe Peak. I need to carry about, 2.5 liters, 3 liters of water with me because there's no water along the way. So water has weight. I need to carry it. I need to be accustomed to it. But I'm also using it for training to help, strengthen my frame, to help strengthen my knees and ankles and all the stuff that has deteriorated from decades of sitting at a desk. So that's really the story. Is really me coming back to life and using this Texas bucket list item as an opportunity to tell that story and to tell people, look, you can do hard things, and when I think back of things like 2-a-days in football, what I'm going to do here, this is not a hard thing. I've done much harder things, and so have you. But also to let people know, look, once you get 50 plus, 60 years old, 70 years old, it's not over. It's not. You can still do a lot of very cool things. So hopefully that will inspire somebody. And maybe along the way, maybe somebody will say, hey, here's $1,000 for, promoting our product. And again, I'm not going to promote. I'm not going to become a shill. I'm not going to say, yeah, I love XYZ, whatever, if I don't love it. If I do love it, I'll say it regardless. So I'm probably cutting myself out of some sponsorship dollars right now by admitting that. But I'm going to be honest about it. And, if sponsors do want to jump on board and want to be part of that story, I welcome you. All right. Thank you for your attention. And thank you for your kind wishes and kind words as you've said things that are akin to you can do it, and I appreciate that. And I will keep you updated. It's going to be fun. It's going to suck at times, but, it's going to be a good story. And that's really what I love. Until next time, keep it real.